Naglabas ng saloobin ang aktor na si Donnie Pangilinan kaugnay sa kumakalat na issue sa social media tungkol sa umano'y pagkukumpara sa pagitan ni Shove Etrata at Bel Mariano. Sa isang mensahe habang siya ay nasa ibang bansa, diretsang nanawagan si Pangilinan sa publiko na itigil ang pagpapakalat ng hate at ang walang tigil na paghahambing ng mga artista. Ayon sa aktor, masyado na umanong naging komportable ang ilan sa pagbibigay ng masakit na komento online nang hindi iniisip ang epekto nito sa mga taong walang ginagawang mali. Binigyang din niya na si Bel Mariano ay isang maganda, talented at may mabuting puso at hiniling na huwag na itong isama pa sa mga kontrobersya o maling naratibo. Ipinaliwanag din ni Pangilinan ang kumalat na video kasama si Shuve Etrata kung saan inaasahan umano niyang pribado lamang ang naturang dinner at nagulat na siya nang may kumalat online. Dagdag pa niya, magkakaibigan lamang ang karamihan sa industriya, kaya't hindi niya nauunawaan kung bakit patuloy na pinagkukumpara at pinag-aaway ang mga personalidad. Mariin din niyang itinanggi ang paratang na nakikinabang siya sa issue o sa pambabash ng iba at sinabing walang puwang sa kanyang espasyo ang ganitong uri ng pag-uugali. Sa huli, nananawagan si Donnie Pangilinan ng respeto, pagmamahal at pag-unawa mula sa lahat ng fandoms, lalo na sa gitna ng mas mahalagang isyong kinakaharap ng bansa. Hey guys, I'm out of the country right now on short break but I've been seeing a lot online. I don't usually speak up, but I think it's about time we stop spreading hate and constantly comparing people. There are far more important things happening in our country. I feel like we've gotten too comfortable throwing hate online without thinking about how that affects actual human beings who have done nothing wrong. This is for all fandoms. Artists have lives too. It's gone below the belt. Why did we reach this point? As for Belle, please keep her out of your narratives. She is beautiful, talented, and most importantly, has a great heart. Nothing you say or do will change that. I told Shuve the videos were going around out of shock as I went to dinner at first thinking it was just going to be intimate and private. People forget we are all friends in this industry. Why do we keep pitting people against each other? And to those who think I just enjoy the clout and people getting bashed, you clearly don't know me. Feel free to leave. There is no space for that here. I am and never was about that. That's all for me. Hope everyone's doing okay despite how horrible our situation is right now in the country. Thank you to those who continue to spread love. Have a blessed Holy Week. Love you all. Thank you for this message, Kuya Donnie. I'm a fan and never met you and Belle in real life. But I know you guys are all about spreading love, support for others, and treating people with respect. Sending nothing but love to you and Belle. May God bless you. It's painful to realize how easy it has become to hurt people online. Donnie speaking up means a lot, and Belle, she deserves so much better than this kind of treatment. I hope we all learn to be more mindful. I think ang pinaka nag-grow ng hate yung mga fandom na from different girls and keep saying Belle is not good for you and will never be enough for you. This is exactly what people need to hear. Ang dali na lang magsalita online without thinking about the impact. Artists don't owe us perfection. They're human just like us. Respect shouldn't be optional. Exactly. Tong mga batang faday na to, akala mo nakakatagdag lang kayo sa problema ng bansa. Kung ano-ano pa issue ginagawa nyo. Not a fan of her, pero tigilan nyo na yan, fan war na yan. Thank you, Donnie, for always protecting our beloved Belle. We love both at naniniwala kami sa inyo. Nakikilala namin kayo, excited na kami sa movie nyo. Nandito lang kami susuporta sa inyo hanggang dulo. We hope you're doing well while we're out of the country. We love you. Please take good care of yourself and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Na-push na yung picon button ni Donnie. Tao nga lang din po ang mga artista. Marami pong dapat tutukan at pagkaabalahan tayo. Grabe ang ganap at pag-uugali nating mga Filipino. My Don Bell heart will always be proud. It should not be necessary but maybe a must nowadays kasi most Gen Z people can easily create narratives about artist actions. I think I'm beginning to love Donnie. I like men when true balls, may paninindigan sa values nila sa buhay. You don't need to explain anything, Dons. Unexpected things happen. It's a fact of life. But we all know who you are and who Belle is. We, your true fans and supporters of you and Belle, believe in you. Just continue to root for us. We are always here rooting for you too.